Hi everybody, this is Tippy. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today's video I'm going to talk about my grocery store haul and the different items I got, and you are going to be cooking with me. So today I went to two different grocery stores. One of them is Publix and the other one is Costco. And I would say that altogether I spent about close to $100 here. These are my go-to, my pink salt, black pepper, oregano, ghee, and butter. Kerrygold butter is my favorite. We have some MCT oil right here and olive oil. These things are always with me when I am cooking. I can't wait to show you guys what we will be making today. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I just finished seasoning my food. I used pink salt and black pepper and a little bit of oregano, 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and right now they are just waiting to be placed in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. And during my wait, I am going to prepare the different meats that I have and start weighing them and making sure that I have the right portions. Now, speaking of portions, it's very important that you know, what is this? Oh, it's my hair. It's very important that you know that my portion are going to be different than your portion. When you sign up for your meal plan, Nick is going to personalize it and customize it for your height, for your weight, for your lifestyle, for everything that you have going on. My numbers are going to be different than your numbers. So when you see me eat 1 piece of chicken, you may have to eat half a piece or 2 pieces. It all depends on everything that Nick is going to be taking care of for your personalized meal plan. I am going to place an empty bowl on the scale and I'm going to zero it out. If you see the number right here, it's 0. Okay, I'm going to take one of the pieces of chicken, put it in there, and it's 3.2 ounces. This one is 3.3, same concept right here. Great, we are going to zero it out and we are going to add broccoli. I'm going to take an empty container again, make sure I zero it out. Oh, we're so close, guys. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to place it in this meal. And I'm going to do this again. Now, when I first started doing Keto Elite meal plan and I saw the portion, my heart skipped a few beats. But you know what? It's just a matter of getting used to it. After 3 days, my body got used to it. I wasn't so hangry. But if you ask my husband, I might have been a little bit hangry. Oh, almost. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And now we are going to create a different meal plan, which will be cauliflower rice and ground beef. The cauliflower rice, my measurement that I'm instructed to eat is 1 cup. So I'm going to grab a cup of cauliflower rice and add it right here. Okay, and now we are going to again empty container. All right, zero it out and let's see how much ground beef I can have right now. Almost so close, guys. Okay, perfect. All right here. Now I love this combination of the cauliflower rice with the ground beef because it tastes like rice and ground beef. It's really delicious. Okay. Like that happen, you just gotta start over. Okay, let's do this again. There we go. Alrighty, excellent. Now the last part will be the cheese. We're going to zero it out. Okay. Oh, it went down. Okay, okay. There we go. One more. Woo! Okay. All right. So, these are two examples of two different meal preps that I am going to eat throughout the week. I just wanted to share a little bit with you guys how I made everything. Again, I use a very simple seasoning. It's all up to you what type of seasonings you want. I am a big fan of olive oil, black pepper, salt. The pink salt is what I use, and oregano. I put oregano on everything, and I love, 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 love garlic. It brings out flavors in so many different foods. So I hope you enjoyed my meal prep, and make sure to send me any type of questions, any type of encouragement. My Instagram name is @Mississippi, and make sure you go ahead on keto.elite13, sign up, get your meal plan ready, get your own macros, and start cooking some delicious keto food. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.